2012 Jeep Wrangler. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its four-wheel drive, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, roll bars, power outlet, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control, variable speed intermittent wipers. Get a fast and easy price quote today